Hello there, my name is Anya Pearse, and I'm really happy to welcome you to this little set of resources. And so, the three videos below, I thought I'd give a little introduction to them here so that you can just bookmark or use the resources without any preamble. So, depending on how you're feeling right now, depends on which one you might go for. And so, if you're feeling quite distressed, if you could do with some immediate relief, I'd recommend that you start with um, the dropping anchor exercise. That's very good for just acknowledging what's going on inside us, connecting ourselves to our body, and then engaging with the world. And we do this in a few cycles just so we can recognize, we can acknowledge our experience, but also recognize that we are the container for it. And this helps us to regulate our nervous system and to just bring us some breathing space. The other one which I would recommend, which I also use a great deal, and that's the mindful self-compassion break. And that's the one which, again, it allows us, invites us to acknowledge and recognize what's going on inside us and to be with that, but also to give ourselves some tenderness, some gentleness, and to recognize that we're not alone in our experience, that the common humanity aspect of self-compassion, that we are not alone in what we're going through. And then if you have slightly more time and slightly more able to pause for slightly longer, the dropping anchor and the mindful self-compassion pause, they can be done quite quickly once you've got used to them. But the mindfulness exercise at the end, leaves on the stream, helps us to separate out from our thoughts and helps create a little bit of distance. This is a good one, particularly if you're having trouble sleeping at night, and just having the visualization of placing your thoughts on a stream as they float by can be very very soothing. And so yes, these are the resources: dropping anchor, mindful self-compassion break, and leaves on a stream visualization exercise. And I hope that they bring you comfort and relief, and that you use them and take ownership of them as things in your own toolbox, your own toolkit, to help you feel more resourced. Because I know that's what I use them for, and so I'm delighted to share them with you today. Okay, take care, and I hope that you stay well.